And I started coming up, she popped up, I was like, boom!
No way!
Boom!
Bro, you beat a pro.
That's what we do around here, boys.
That's sick.
That's what we do around here.
Okay.
Jordan.
Oh, hey, Christine. We were just talking about you.
Court 1's open. Let's get another game in.
I'm good. Maybe some other time.
You scared I'll beat you?
Let's go, bro. You got this.
Jimmy.
What do you want, Dad?
Time to get another game in, boy.
Let's switch up the teams this time. Father-son.
Oh. Yeah, it's not a problem. Jimmy, you're with me.
Yeah.
That's Christine Trifunovic. You gotta make sure you get it right there.
002. 102.
That was a little rough.
Get up, boy. Come on.
Beating up on children now, Christine?
Oh my gosh, that's not really what happened.
That's Christine Trifunovic.
Who?
You spot her paddle.
That is her.
Christine, Court 3 is open, and yeah, I don't know what you're doing, but we'd love to get a match in for fun. Boom!
Nice shot, Jay.
I guess I can play until my friend comes. Hi, Shauna.
What is this viral video of some rec player kicking your butt, Christine?
Oh my God.
Oh, don't go. You can still catch up. It's only 4-0.
That's Christine Trifunovic.
Do not ever go back to those courts, ever again.
Oh!
That was a little rough.
Do you hear me?
Hey, Hans.
Christine, we need to talk with you now.
She hasn't seen the video. You haven't seen it?
What video?